Hey friends, if you wish to record your screen with the sniping tool on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for sniping tool, then go to sniping tool. One is the screenshot option and one is the screen recording option. Click on this one and then you can select new and then you can start with the recording. You can select the area. To start with the recording, click on start and it will give you a timer 1, 2, 3 and then it will start recording. To stop the recording, click on this red button and then you can choose where you need to save this recording by clicking on the save button. Okay, by default it's stored in the screen recording tab, by the way. So this is what you can do, but there's also a shortcut. The shortcut is Windows plus Shift plus R. Windows plus Shift plus R, and then you can click on start, and once it is done you can click on the stop button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.